This can't real.
For real. It can't real.
No.
First time.
So just take a look on these people.
Huh?
Breadfruit, you know. Breadfruit. But not talk about jackfruit. That might look like jackfruit too, no. But a breadfruit.
First
See
time
there? See the skin there?
there?
See the skin there? And see what in there?
Yeah, real.
Seed in there. Look there.
There's no way.
Watch it.
A breadfruit, but how is it breadfruit and seed in it?
Watch it. See me I dig up one there. See the skin there?
They got no one here. Let them put the breadfruit
See
and
there?
seed in it.
That I want seed. Now I'll go watch it again. I want it there. Watch it. Seed in a breadfruit. My grandfather, how much him years old, I never see this.
Never see this summer born.
From him born, me never see this.
When the man come back?
Saturday.
See there?
We have to go for your team back?
Yeah.
You know,
Breadfruit with seed
Oh, every
in a
Saturday morning,
it.
you come and sell yam breadfruit. We like.
See there? Breadfruit, people. Breadfruit
TV.
with seed in a
You don't watch
it.
no TV.
Alright, watch
No
it.
TV, you don't watch it.
Renee, watch it.
it.
See me I dig up. Watch it. See there now?
I'm
I see what seed in there.
Yeah.
Watch it. I dig me dig you say now. I find this you know.
Down at the
Watch
bottom.
it. No man.
No,
No.
when I see it, be careful, go say I want.
Oh, and it smell like cashew, people. See there up close. Smell like cashew.
Show your mother.
Yeah, me not sure. No people.
No, you don't want to watch no.
Breadfruit.
You get too much
One
stuff.
never start, me
Watch
start.
it. Alright, me I dig here so and watch it. We down one next seed.
See them as well.
Watch it. Look how far my finger there. People. And I want seed me I go carry up. Watch it. See there? See there? One more seed. Which breadfruit did I ever see here?
No, it's not a breadfruit, it's a breadfruit brother.
No, that's my cousin, no family for breadfruit. This weird.
I want him to see there, because me for sure.
No man, this not right.